Hello everyone and welcome back to Kathy's Kitchen. I'm so excited about today's episode because we are doing a recipe from one of our very own Level Ups, Ella Jones, and her recipe today is fire shrimp pasta. Now, you probably know by now how much I love spice, so I cannot wait for this recipe. I'm here with Pam Jacobson.
Hi everyone.
All right, so let me go over what some of the ingredients are. We're gonna have shrimp, of course, because that's the main point of the whole dish. We have almond milk. We're going to be using a little bit of hot sauce, which we have right here. We've got some diced red peppers. We've got the cheese and the Shiratake noodles. And what are those made out of?
Yeah, Shiratake noodles are made from yam. So they're a great, again, alternative to high carb things like pastas in a dish like this. So they're beautiful, white, of shiny, glassy looking noodles made from yam.
You know what I love? I know maybe you all knew that was yams. I did not. So I have learned something myself today. So very good. Okay, so the beginning of the recipe starts with us whisking a few of the ingredients together. So we're going to put them in this bowl right here. So we're going to put the cheese.
Cheese in.
2 tablespoons of the hot sauce, and you most certainly can adjust this. For me, that's fine. I could probably put 3, but I won't. All right, there's our 2.
Beautiful.
Very good. And then we have the almond milk, which I have already poured out here.
And how much is that? Is that with a
quarter cup?
Quarter
cup. Put it in, and then we will whisk it together.
So the idea here is just we're coating the cheese with the hot sauce and the almond milk. Okay.
Okay, so now that we've whisked this together, we're going to move on. The next part of this is we're going to add a little bit of the avocado oil to the pan. We're going to first saute the bell peppers. Once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and add the shrimp. So that's what we're going to do right now. Let's go do it.
All right.
We're just going to stir this on medium-high heat. And once it gets a little tender, we'll add a little more avocado oil, and then we'll add the shrimp. Okay, Pam, why don't you go ahead and let's add the shrimp.
So we'll add our noodles.
Just going to mix this together until that cheese melts, and then we will be done.
The original recipe called for a soft cheese. I think Laughing Cow is the brand. But in this case, we chose a raw milk jack cheese, which is also a softer cheese. Raw milk cheese, you will find is less of a problem for people who have dairy sensitivity because it already contains the enzymes to digest the milk product in it.
Okay, I think it's done. Okay, so it's now complete. We've got it in a beautiful bowl and it looks fabulous. Honestly, it's a beautiful presentation. And now we're gonna dive in, and I guess we're gonna rate the spiciness on this. We did leave off the crushed red pepper just in case. I already know that I probably would have added it, but that's okay. So let's each try this and see. There we go. Smells great, to tell you. And it's interesting, there was no salt, no pepper. All right, let's dive in. Take a bite of the shrimp. It's good.
Very good.
Right?
Mm-hmm. I would add salt.
It's got a nice spice. Got salt coming in.
I would add salt. A little bit of salt. There's very few things I would cook that I wouldn't add a little bit of salt to. It's very good.
The noodles are excellent. And not too spicy.
No, it's a perfect amount. I'm not someone who likes things heavily spiced. It's a perfect amount of spice.
It's a perfect amount. Just makes you want another bite. If you guys understand that kind of spice, which is excellent.
It's really a nice balance of flavors.
It actually feels very light.
And, yeah.
I like it with the cheese. I mean, you don't notice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ella. This was fabulous. Excellent recipe.